Yeah, hello my lovely fans. It is another beautiful day as I welcome you to Menalights TV. This time around, our lesson is going to be based on box and whisker plot. Now, when we talk about box and whisker plot, it's a diagram that is used to represent a set of data on a number line. So when you are given a set of data, what we have how to represent it on a number line using the box and then whisker plot, that's what we're going to look at today. For us to draw a box and whisker plot, there's some steps that we need to look at. So the first step is to arrange the numbers from the smallest to the highest and find their median. Upper quartile. So the upper quartile is the numbers that are above the median mark. When you find the median of the numbers that are above the median mark, we call it the upper quartile. Then we have the lower quartile. That means finding the median of the numbers that are below the median mark, or the numbers that are smaller than the median mark. You find their median, and that is our first quartile or the lower quartile. Then the set of data that is being given to you. The smallest number there is the minimum. Then the highest number is the maximum. Then definitely you draw it in a number line as box and whisker plot. I'm going to use this set of data to help us draw the box and whisker plot. So the first thing we have to do is to arrange this set of data from the smallest to the highest and find their median. So the smallest number here is 23. So this is the arrangement of the numbers from the smallest to the highest. Now we are going to determine the median of this set of data. Now for us to find the median, we need to cross out from each side. So you cancel from here, cancel here, cancel from here, we cancel from here too, we cancel from here, and cancel here too. So when you look at this, we have two numbers in the middle. That is 30 and then 34. So when you have two numbers in the middle, what to do is to add the two of them and divide by what? By 2. So that will be 30 plus 34 divided by 2. So 30 plus 34 will give us 64. And this 64 divided by 2 will give us 32. So this 32 is our median. So on this number line, we are going to locate 32 on this number. So we put a 32 here. So this 32 is our median here. So from that 32, we can take a scale of every stick should be multiples of 2. So from 32, here will be 34, 36, 38, 40, and so on and so forth. So here from 32, we can have our 30, we have our 28, 26, 24, 22, 20 here, and so on and so forth. Now, after getting the median as 32, we want to look at the numbers that are at the minimum side, and then the numbers at the maximum side, lower quartile. Then when you look at this, you find the median of this set of numbers. So the median here is 27, and this 27 is the first quartile. Then when you come here too, you find the median of the numbers that you have here. So finding the median, the 35 here becomes our upper quartile. Now after getting our lower quartile and then the upper quartile, then we have to represent these on the box and whisker plot using the number line. So what we have to do is, this number is the minimum, the smallest number here is the minimum, and then the biggest number here, 38, is the maximum. Now we are going to draw the box and then the whisker. Now from the beginning, we know that our median is 32. So that's what we are going to start from. So from 32, that's our median there. So we are starting the box from 32. Now, the upper quarter here is 35. So the box will start from 32 and end on 35. So here we have 32, 34, 35, 38. So the 35 is between 34 and then 36. So here, this is where we have our 35. So the box will end there on the 35. Then when you look here, the first quarter is on 27. So the box will start from here, the median, to where you have the 27. Iron 27 is between 26 and 28. So you have the 27 here. So 27 is here. So you start the box from there to where you have our 27. So the box is on the 27 here. Then we are going for our whisker. So here, the biggest number here is 38. So we join until we reach where the 38. So the 38 is here. So we join from here to the box to where you have the 38. Then you do this thing here, the whisker. Then here, our smallest number here is 23. So we have to join the whisker from the box to where you have the 23. So the 23 is between 22 and 24. So our 23 is here. So we are going to join this from here to where we have our 23 as well. So there we have it. So this is what we call the balls and whisker plot. Now let's look at the example 2. So we have the 2, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, and then 15. So this set of numbers they have already been arranged from the smallest to the highest. So what we have to do, so first this number here is our minimum. The minimum here is 2. Minimum. The minimum here is 2. So the highest number here is 5. That becomes our maximum. It's 15. So 15 is our maximum there. So first of all, you have to find the median of the set of data given to us. So for us to find the median, what we have to do is you arrange from the smallest to the highest, but the numbers are already arranged from the smallest to the highest. So what we have to do is you cancel one from here, cancel one, cancel, 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 and cancel. So here we have two numbers in the middle, that is 8 and 10. So what we have to do is 8 plus 10 divided by 2. So 8 plus 10 will give us 18. So 18 divided by 2 will give us 9. So that means our median is 9. Our median value there is 9. So all the numbers that are what? Less than 9, they fall within the lower quartile. And the numbers that are what? More than 9, they fall within what? The upper quartile. So what we have to do is, so now that we know that 9 is our median, so the numbers that are what? Less than 9. So let's see the numbers that are less than 9. We have 2, 5, 7, and 8. They are what? Less than 9. So we now have to find the first quarter. So the first quarter is the median of what? All the numbers that are what? Less than 9. So 9 here is what? Is our median. So we can say that the first quarter is what? The median of all the numbers that are less than what? The median mark. So since our 9 is our median mark, so we have to find the median of these numbers. So you cancel one from here, cancel one. So you have 2 in the middle, that is 5 plus 7 will give us 12. So the 12 divided by 2. So 12 divided by 2 will give us 6. Then from there, that means our first quarter there is 6. 6 is our first quarter. Then we come to the upper quarter. So the upper quarter 2 is the median of all the numbers that are what? More than the median mark. So the median mark here is 9. So the numbers that are what? More than the median mark, they are 10, 12, 13, and 15. 10, 12, 13, and 15. They are what? Bigger than what? Or more than the median mark. So for us to find the upper quarter, we need to find the median of these as well. So what we have to do is, you cancel one from here, cancel one from here too. So you have two numbers in the middle. So that is 12 plus 13. So 12 plus 13 divided by 2. 12 plus 13 will give us 25 divided by 2. So when you divide 25 by 2, you are getting 12 and a half. So it means that our upper quarter here is 12.5 or 12 and a half. Our minimum, which is the number 2. Then we have our maximum, which is the number 15. Then we have our median, which is 9. So 9 here is our median. Then we have the first quarter, which is 6. And then the upper quarter, which is what? 12. So we are going to draw the normal line and then draw the box and whisker plot on it. So now we have our normal line. So we are going to plot the box and whisker on this normal line. So our median here from the calculation is 9. So I will put my 9 here as the median. So this 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and so on and so forth. So this is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and let's see, half 1 as our median. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, up to 18. So our median is 9. Then our upper quarter here is 12.5. So we have to locate from 9 to 12.5. So our median 9. So we start from 9. So I'm starting from here 9. Then our upper quarter is 12.5. So we move to where the 12.5 is. So the 12.5 is between 13 and 12. So you have our 12.5 here. So I'll draw up to where we have the 12.5. So that's our 12.5 there. Then from there we join. So that is from the median to the upper quarter. Then we are going to draw from the median to the lower quarter. So, or the first quarter. So our first quarter here is 6. So we are going to join to get what? To get to where you have the 6. So this is where you have the 6. So from the median 9 to 6. So you have it here. Then we have it here as well. So this is what we have. So this is our first quarter at 6. So we have it here. Our median 9 is here. And our upper quarter 12.5 is also here. So that is between 12 and 13. So now that we have our boxes, then we have to draw our whisker. So first, the whisker, the minimum number here is what? Is 2. So you have to draw from the lower quarter, the first quarter or the lower quarter here to where we have 2. So I'm drawing my whisker to where I have 2. So this is where I have 2, and 2 is my minimum number there. So this is the minimum. This is the first quarter or the lower quarter, the median, then the upper quarter, then I go to what? The maximum. So the maximum here is what? 15. That is the 15 that we have in the set of data. So I have to join from here to where you have the 15. So 12, 13, 14, 15. You have the 15 here. So the 15 is here as well. So we have to shade. So this is where we have our maximum. So this is our maximum. Our maximum there. And this is our upper quartile. We have our upper quartile here. Is this place, the upper quartile. Then this way, our median. Our median, we have it, our median here. This is our median. Then from the median, we have our what? Our first or the lower quartile. So lower quartile. Then this is where we have our minimum. So we have our minimum here as well. I hope this lesson is well taught and then well explained. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Remember to subscribe to this channel, Menalights TV. Menalights TV, when the sun rises. We are so grateful and thanks so much for your support.